If you have a large number of files, it could become overwhelming to locate a specific file or folder. Luckily, there are ways to sort your files and folders to make searching easier. Here I have a large number of folders and files. Let's first look at the different ways you can view these folders and files. Right-click somewhere in this window that is not on a file or folder. Go to View, and you'll see a number of different options. Right now we are viewing medium-sized icons. Icon View shows you a thumbnail of the file or folder. To view these bigger, you can click on large icons. To view them bigger still, click on extra large icons. When viewing pictures, Icon View comes in handy. Other views are List. List View shows a small thumbnail of the file or folder. In the case of pictures, it won't show you a thumbnail of the picture, but instead it will show you the icon for the type of picture file it is. The next view is Details View. Details View is very useful because it gives you the date modified. When you're looking for items that you remember were modified on a certain date, use Details View. Once you're in Details View, you could either click the top bar to sort the files in alphabetical order. As you can see, it groups all the folders first in alphabetical order, and then all the files in alphabetical order. And click on Date Modified to sort the files in date order from the most recent to the oldest. Again, all the folders are grouped together and all the files are grouped together. You can also sort them according to type and size. You can also sort your files regardless of which view you're in. Let me switch to Medium Icon View. Once we're here, we can go to Sort By to sort the files by name, and this would be alphabetical order. Again, all the folders grouped together and all the files grouped together. You can sort them by date modified. These are the most recently worked on files versus the oldest files. It won't tell you here the date unless you hover over the image. You can sort them by type. It will group together all the files by type. All the PDFs are together, all the Camtasia project files are together, all the PowerPoints are together, etc. You can sort them by size. If you hover over the thumbnail, it will tell you the size of the file. This file happens to be 346 megabytes, so it's a very large file. And here you can also sort them according to ascending and descending. Right now it's sorted by descending, which means that the largest file is first and the smallest file is last. If you sorted by ascending, then the largest files would be first and the smallest files will be last. You can sort by ascending or descending by name or date modified. By name and date modified. Sorting files and changing your view options can make finding a file much easier, especially when you don't remember the name of the file.